Science is a systematically organized body of knowledge on a particular subject.
Isabel, what do you think of when you hear the word science?
I think that science is all around us, and it ranges from chemistry to biology to physics, and I think that the world works on science. And then
In Newton's first law of physics, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an opposing force. Newton's first law of science applies to Isabel jumping into the lake because she will be in motion when she jumps off of the dock, and the water will be the opposing force acting on it that causes her to stop. We use science to explain everything that happens around us and everything that goes on in our daily lives. Science explains why the plants grow, why evolution happens, why plants and animals have adapted over millions of years. Science relates to everything, even in sports. Basketball, for example. Science goes with basketball because the ball, when you dribble, stays in motion until it hits the ground, and that is the opposing force that will stop it, and then the ball bounces back up to my hands. Also, the ball is accelerating and decelerating in math, and when you shoot it, you shoot at a projectile, which uses science to be able to get it into the goal. So, another reason science affects our daily lives is even in the car, because when the car moves, everyone and everything in it also moves.
Come into AT&T now and get the HTC One M9 for $0 down with AT&T Next. Capture all life's moments with its new dynamic 20-megapixel sapphire lens camera.
I slammed on my brakes, so Isabel went forward because of inertia. When I turn left, Isabel will hit the window and she will lean right because of physics. Ooh.
You have arrived at your destination.
Are you taking a video?
No, yeah.
wait, can I see the video?
Wait, no, Elizabeth, I have.
We use science.
I did not!
Science is in everything, even in sports. Science is in basketball because this basketball will stay in motion until it hits the ground, and then it'll bounce right back up, because what goes down must go up.
How about my GPA?
Huh? What goes down must go up. Okay, ready?
Hi. What do you think of science? Okay.